Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And that's Micah.
And today we have partnered with Panda Express to bring you this advent calendar with 16 compartments.
So thank you, Panda Express, for sponsoring this video.
So let's go ahead and get into number 1.
As he's smashing that, let's smash that like button.
This looks like their new dish that I have heard about.
The new wok-seared steak and shrimp brings premium Angus stuffed sirloin steak and shrimp together in a reimagined steakhouse dish. I want to try it.
What a snack.
It looks good.
I want to give it a try.
But that's my dish.
What?
This is Father's dish, and we're all eating off of
That's
it.
not fair.
You did claim it.
I want this.
So,
Ooh, it's really good. This is really good.
This is actually really good.
Sorry, Dad. We're eating all of it. Sorry. It's really good.
it's
all right.
scrumptious. We got onions. We got some of this red stuff.
This is the shrimp over here.
Looks like red pepper.
Steak.
Yeah,
That's
potatoes.
these things.
And some rice.
What is this shrimp?
I think it's pretty darn good.
It's really good. I like it a lot. All right. So that was super good.
So that's their new dish. It's limited time only. But that was our Father's dish, so we had to give it to him.
Yeah, it was really good though.
So now it's my turn. Awful sound. Okay. So we got a whole bunch of chopsticks.
Ooh, nice.
I'd like to take some of
Whoa,
those.
with a fork on the end. These are like ingenious.
I gotta say, plastic chopsticks are the
We've got a
best
hat.
chopsticks because they don't give you splinters.
I could work at a Panda Express and I'd be rocking this hat. Panda Express orange chicken, because they're really prideful about their orange chicken. The original. The orange chicken is great. I've had it. It's really good.
All right, now it's time for me to open up number 3.
In this hand.
Yes, noodles.
Give me some. Give me some.
Delicious. I love
one
noodles.
thing.
Actually,
It's
I
that-
love those.
I love onions, and they have smothered this on onions.
Number 4. This happens to be
Ooh.
shirts and orange chicken bucket on it.
Ooh, I like that.
Mine says nom with orange chicken. Oh my gosh.
Shut up.
Another reference towards orange chicken.
Okay,
You can't put
moving on, Noah.
Ooh,
Alright.
it's a compartment.
It's a yum yum
It's a
food.
food.
Oh, I think this is their orange chicken.
Ooh,
Or it might be teriyaki chicken.
ooh, yum yum.
Okay, a taste test will decide. That's definitely orange. It's so good. Honestly, I love Panda Express. Micah! Alright, so because Micah wants to open up number 12, we're gonna open up number 12 after 5.
That's my turn.
It's Micah's.
Yeah, our turns are just gonna be swapped over.
This, it looks like some sort of shrimp.
Dish.
This is honey walnut shrimp. That's pretty darn good.
All right, now it's my turn. I'm gonna be opening up number 6. So this is the Kung Pao chicken. Take a bite. Take a big old bite of that.
Nice, nice.
All right, this is very good. Try it. Taste some of the
Yum,
Kung
yum.
Pao, brother. It's got a whole lot of good stuff in there.
Favorite so far is definitely the wok, the first one.
This is very
Okay, so
All
now
right.
I'm gonna go on to number 7.
Ooh, that one has a punch to it.
We got a baseball. So today we're gonna be throwing this baseball. Okay,
Micah
Micah.
wants it.
Micah wanted that. Has a Panda Express logo on it.
We can all.
Okay.
He's doing fast stuff with it.
Oh, we're gonna open up number 8, Micah. All right.
Ooh,
That looks like the same
it's
thing.
the same thing. It's the new wok.
The all new wok seared steak and shrimp is what this one is.
All right. She stole it.
The quality,
Really good.
it is the quality of a steakhouse yum yum dinner with all the classic Chinese flavors of Panda Express.
In some parts of the world, a burp is considered polite. Give this to Father. Father gets someone with
I
actual
like the
meat.
texture.
Now I'm gonna be opening up number 9.
Woo! What is this?
Ooh. Oh. Oh,
Ooh, a
these
gift
little
card
pins.
and pin.
Oh! We got this gift card in a cute gift card holder. So we got some orange chicken stickers. These are
Tattoos?
Temporary tattoos.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Here we have some buttons.
Nice.
This one, got this one.
They're all
got
orange
this-
chicken.
Yeah.
Switch that up.
We're gonna open up number 10. We have orange chicken, I think.
More orange
I'm not
chicken, yes!
I want to do all of
I
these on
need-
my arm at once.
I need.
Okay, don't eat it all. I'm putting on the tattoos.
I may be really close to full, but I'll still eat this orange chicken.
I put all of these tattoos on my arm at once. I got
Oh,
3
wow.
tattoos at once.
Guys, we're gonna open up number 11. I have my weapon wielded to open up the
Get on with
paper. Here we go. Ooh. Oh my god, it's a tote bag!
Ooh.
Mike already opened 12, so we're moving on to 13. Got it.
Ooh.
Looks like we have more of the Kung Pao chicken. See, I just had a bite of rice. I was like, rice.
Yum. Number 14.
Gosh.
More food.
Ooh, that looks good.
Ooh.
So this-
Baking beef.
I'm interested.
That's really good.
It's really good.
So now we're gonna open up number 15. And let's go right on ahead.
So,
Oh, it's so cute! It's Micah, but I really want it.
Micah,
I'm an avid fan of stuffed animals.
guess who finally has a fair amount of turns? It's me, and I'm gonna be opening up number 16. The last one, which is different than usual, because most of the time I get skipped a turn. I feel like you have at least a minute.
We're gonna be.
Oh!
fortune cookies.
Fortune cookies.
Oh my god, it's fortune cookies! I guess that's a dessert.
Beautiful.
You will be called upon to celebrate good news.
Your vibrant personality lights up the room.
A refreshing change is in your future.
My favorite was definitely the new item, the wok-seared steak and
Yeah.
shrimp. It was real good.
It's over somewhere.
I think we ate all the meat out of it, so we can't really tell which one it is now.
No, it's this one.
That was the best one.
Really good. I liked it a lot. Comment down below your favorite Panda Express item.
And thanks Panda Express for sponsoring this video.
Thank you for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Ciao YouTube.
See you next time, YouTube.
Click these rectangles, watch videos, and click this circle to subscribe. Comment down below other restaurants we should do. I like talking fast because it's really fun. And bye.